Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 7 of the meditation series I've got on this channel, and today I want to talk about sound meditation. Why is this important? Why is sound meditation important? Well, it was so important to me. When I found this, I trained through Jonathan Goldman to get my certificate for sound healing, sound toning in particular. I found it incredible. I found it difficult at first to get the tones, because there's little microtones in your voice that are really healing for your body, but that's not that important. Firstly, you need to get the areas of the body that you're toning, and you can actually feel them resonate after a little while, and you can really get yourself resonating with the field around you and create the atmosphere around your body that you want. Sound toning and sound healing really has done that for me. I do sound healing with tuning forks as well, but I don't do that so much anymore, especially during the lockdowns. But sound toning, you can do that over the internet, and I have it in the 5 meditation and mindfulness techniques webinar that I've got, that you can click the link below and give that a go. Or you can just subscribe to the channel and I'll keep you updated with everything that I'll be doing. We also do Qigong, and we have meditation music that you can use for your own personal practice. The reason I'm doing these videos is to empower you and share how I've transformed my life through meditation and mindfulness. And sound healing is one of the biggest things that I use, which is an amazing tool for us to empower ourselves to really get in contact with our true selves. So give it a go. You can click the link, try the webinar. If you haven't done that already, please like and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you in the next video.